In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Instagram widescreen problem. When you open up Instagram, you cannot see any of the content display on it and your screen becomes completely white. Now these are minor issues caused by some kind of bug in the system. The best way to remove bugs is to update the app of Instagram. Head over to the Play Store or the App Store and then search for Instagram. If there is an update, make sure you tap on update right here. I have an option of open because my app is up to date. But if yours says update, you need to tap on update and update it. The other thing that you can do is you can clear the cache and data of Instagram. Tap and hold on the app of Instagram and head over to app info. If you're on an Android, if you're using an iOS, you can head over to the settings and offload your app of Instagram. Now from settings, tap on clear data and clear cache. Again clear data and clear the data that is available. Now every phone has different interface, so you need to find the option which says clear data and clear the data of your Instagram app. Now after you do these steps, you need to again log into your Instagram because when you clear the data of any app, all your login information will be removed. Now when you log into your Instagram, you should be able to properly work your app of Instagram. If you guys liked and found this video helpful, then subscribe, share and also turn on the notifications for more future updates. That's gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching.